Understanding, Quote a Book, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore what it means to quote a book. Whether you're writing an essay or just want to reference something you've read, knowing how to properly quote is essential. So, let's get started. Quoting a book means taking a small section of text from a book and reproducing it in your work, exactly as it appears in the original source. It's a way to reference the author's words directly and can be used to support your ideas or arguments in writing. Quoting correctly is important because it shows respect for the original author's work and avoids plagiarism. It also allows your readers to verify the source of the information and understand the context of the quoted material. When you quote a book, you need to 1. Introduce the quote with a statement that sets it up or explains its relevance. 2. Use quotation marks to enclose the exact words from the book. 3. Include a citation with the author's name, book title, and page number to show where the quote came from. Here's an example. Let's say you want to quote The Great Gatsby. You might write, F. Scott Fitzgerald writes, "So we beat on boats against the current, borne back ceaselessly into the past." The Great Gatsby, page 189. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has clarified how to quote a book and why it's an important skill in English writing. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be quoting like a pro. See you next time.